In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to turn on spell checker in Outlook. If you want Outlook to help catch spelling mistakes while you write emails, this is a simple setting to enable, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can follow along and make sure the feature is turned on properly. To begin, open Outlook and go to your mail area. This is the main section where you view your inbox and manage your messages. Once you're there, click on New to open a new email draft. Opening a fresh message is helpful here because it gives you access to the writing tools and editor options related to composing emails. After the new message window appears, look for the mail option and click on it. From there, find and select Editor. This is where Outlook keeps writing-related tools, including spelling and grammar preferences. If you've never explored this section before, it's essentially the place where you control how Outlook assists you while writing. Next, click on Editor Settings. This opens the detailed settings for the writing assistant. In this menu, you'll see different correction and review options that affect how Outlook checks your content as you type. Now, under the correction section, make sure spelling is checked or toggled on. This is the key part of the setup. When this option is enabled, Outlook will be able to identify misspelled words and help you correct them while drafting emails. If the setting is already on, then you're all set and just need to confirm your changes. Once you've verified that spelling is enabled, click OK to save the setting. That confirms your preference and applies it to your Outlook editor. After that, spell checker should be active when you compose messages. A good tip is to type a word incorrectly in a draft email just to test that the feature is working as expected. If Outlook highlights the misspelling or offers correction help, then the spell checker has been successfully turned on. This is a useful setting to keep enabled, especially if you send important work emails, customer messages, or anything professional where accuracy matters. It can help you catch small errors before you hit send and make your writing look more polished. And that's it. You've now turned on spell checker in Outlook and can write with a little extra confidence every time you create a new email.